We're very happy because the rain has come, finally. You can probably hear the thunder and lightning in the distance. And some very happy chickens. This is the house next door. There are lots of cows. It's probably not a good idea to be walking in the rain. But anyway, you can see the pigs there. Tomorrow we're going to buy our first pig. So lots of other people have planted. So they've maize and beans and everything there. But for now, we haven't started that here. You can see next door. We've been out since 6 this morning planting before it gets too hot. Yeah.